ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमाविद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तककेशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद्भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। श्रीभगवानुवाच लोकेऽस्मिन् द्विविधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्ता मया नघ ज्ञानयोगेन साङ्ख्यानां कर्मयोगेन योगिनां न कर्मणामनारम्भात् नैष्कर्म्यं पुरुषोऽश्नुते न च सन्न्यसनादेव सिद्धिं समधिगच्छति। We have seen the commentary to the shloka. Lokesmin Dvivida Nishtha. The Shankaranandiyam we have not seen, I think. We will see and then we will continue with the fourth shloka, for which the Sangati we saw in the last class. Shankara Bhashya Sangati we saw. This Shankaranandiyam for the shloka number 3, we will see. Loka iti, loke iti. Asmin loke brahmanadinam swadharma paranam mumukshunam pura purvakale maya vedarupina sarvajnena sarvadharma upadeshtra dvida triprakara nishta शास्त्रीयस्य अनुष्ठेयस्य धर्मस्य धर्मस्यासां कार्यं यथा तथा नियमेन स्थितिः व्यवस्था प्रोक्ता कृता इत्यर्थः। अस्मिन् लोके in this loka for Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishnava, sorry, Vaishya, not Vaishnava, Vaishya, Shudra, Brahmanadina, all the Varna who are committed to their Swadharma, their own Dharma. So this Chaturvarnanam, Jananam, and they are committed to their Dharma, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. They are mumukshus. Yeah. Those who are mumukshus. For them, Pura Purvakale, in the beginning, Maya, by me, who am I? Bhagavan Krishna says, Sarvajna, Sarvajnena, Sarvadharma Upadeshtra, Upadeshtru is the teacher of all the Dharma in the form of the Veda. Two types of Nishtha. The Nishtha is Shastriya Nishtha, which has to be followed. Anušteyasya Dharmasya, that Shastriya Dharma, that Niyamena Stitihi, Vyavastha. Vyavastha, the Stiti, Niyamena Stitihi Vyavastha, it's called Nishtha. That's what we translate as the lifestyle, the Vyavastha. Vyavastha is Vyapara, the activities that Niyamena, in keeping with the Shastram. So our Vyapara, our activities in keeping with the Shastram, that is called Nishtha. Nitaram Stitihi Atava Niyamena Stitihi. Nishtha. Stitihi is equal to Vyavastha. It is Prokta. It was taught by me. Krita ityartaha. Tat katam iti chet uchyate. How is that it is being told by Bhagavan Krishna saying Jnana Yogena iti. Vedantaihi sarvaihi samyak khyayate tatparyena pratipadyate iti sankyam. Nirvishesham param brahma tadeva svatmatvena ye viduhu te sankyaha. Brahmavit. Tesham sankyanam yatinam Brahma Jnananam. What is Sankhya and who are those Sankhyas? Not Sankhya Darshana. Here, the meaning of Sankhya is explained by the Shankarananda. Vedantehi sarvegi Vedantai, all the Vedanta. Vedanta Shastregi, sarvegi Vedanta Shastregi. Samyak Kyayate, which is well, Kyayate, well told. Tatparyene pratipadyate. The Tatparya is Kyayate Tatparyene pratipadyate, the Tatparya which is revealed. The Tatparyam of the Vedanta Shastram, which is revealed by the Tatparyam, which is revealed by the Vedanta Shastram, is called Sankhya. What is that? Nirvishesham Param Brahma. Nirgunam Brahma is the Pratipadita Vishayam of the Shastram. Nirvishesha Param Brahma. That Eva, that Tadeva, it is myself. Swatmatmena. Iti ye viduhu, the one who knows that Brahma is not different from me. Ye viduhu, they are called Sankhyaha. They are called, that means Jnanis ityartaha. Brahmavit. Brahmajanati, Brahmaveti, Brahmavit. Tesham, for them, Sankhyanam, Itinam, Sannyasinam, Brahmajnananam, for them. For them what? Jnana Yogena, Brahmavit, Brahmana Yujyate, Eki Kriyate, Anena iti Yogaha. Jnanam eva Yogaha, Jnana Yogaha. Tena, Sarvamidam Ahamcha, Brahma eva iti Brahmakara Vritya, Nishta, Naischalena, Stitihi Prokta, Sada Ekaritya Kartavyatmena Vihita. Jnana Yogena, by Jnana Yoga, Brahmavit, the knower of Brahma, Brahmana Yujyate. Yujyate iti Yogaha. Yujidatu, Yujirdatu, Yoge, that by which it is Karana Vyutpatti Brahmana Yujyate Ekikriyate iti yogaha, that by which Brahmavit is connected to Brahma. The connection in terms of knowing only. There is no other connection. There is no other joining. So, by Jnana Yoga, Brahmavit is connected to Brahma, the knowledge of Brahma. And the knowledge is Brahma, that is myself, me alone. That is Eki Kriyate, the oneness. By which it is Eki Kriyate, the oneness is made, oneness is gained. The oneness is the knowledge is gained. That is called yoga. Jnanam eva yoga, jnana yoga, tena, by that jnana yoga. Sarvam idam agam cha, everything is myself. Jnana yogena, sarvam idam agam cha, brahma eva iti. Everything is me and my aham brahma iti. By brahmakara vritti, that brahmakara akara vritti, by the vritti jnanam, agam brahma asmi iti vritti jnanena, brahmakara vritya, nishta, naischalena sthitihi, without any nischala, without any chala, naischalya. Nischalasya bhavaha naischalya, without any chala. There is no disturbance, there is no shaking from this knowledge. That is called nishta. Sthita prajna, naischalena sthitihi, firmly established in this nishta. That sthitihi, that is called prokta sada ekaritya kartavyatven vigita. That has to be done ekaritya in one way. Ekaritya, one manner to be done. Iti vigita. That is Sankhya. That is, they have to, for them, Jnana Yoga is kartavyatven vigita. Shravanamana vidyasanam kartavyatven vigita. By the Shastram, by Bhagavan. Tam eva ekam vijanata atmanam anyavacho vimunchata om ityeva dhyayata atmanam svastivav paraya tamasaf parastat vedanta vijnana sunischitarthaha sarvam khal idam brahma tajjalaniti shanta upasita tameva dhiraha vijnaya pragyam kurvita brahmanaha na anudhyayat bhagun shabdan vacho viglapanam hitat. All these are Shruti Vakya. Ityadi Shruti Vakya. Ityadi Shruti Vakya. Atat vrittim nishidya, the vritti which is other than that, nishidya, avoiding that. Tesham, for them, brahmanishta eva kartavyattvena prokta. Brahmanishta alone has to be done, has to be followed. That is Shravanamana Vidyasanam should be followed for gaining the nishta in this jnana. For them, this jnana nishta, that is jnana yoga, that is this sannyasa life is prescribed kartavyatvena for gaining firmness in this knowledge. For those who are committed, for them, this is to be done. Iti prokta maya. Whereas yoginam, karma yoginam, for the yogis, karma yogis, grihinam, vigrastas, karma yogena yujyate, abhyudayaha anena iti yogaha, karma eva yogaha, tena nishta niyamasthitihi prokta. Whereas for the karma yogi, vigrastas, for them, that by which they are connected to abhyudayaha. Abhyudaya is also for moksha only. All the purushartha, fine, the paramapurusha being moksha, dharma, artha, kama also, for a mumukshu, it is shreyas, it is a shreyas sadhanam. It becomes a shreyas sadhanam because moksha is what is ultimately desired, wanted, and all this subserve moksha. Therefore, abhyudayaha, the prosperity. For a grihastha, artha kama, dharma artha kama, all these are required. Karma is required. For performing karma, all artha, dhanam, etc. is required. Therefore, abhyudaya, prosperity, abhyudaya anena iti yogaha karma eva yogaha, because there is activity, therefore abhyudaya. Activity, there is a lot of vyapara in there in the world, therefore abhyudaya. Karma yogena yujyate abhyudaya anena iti karma yogaha, karma eva yogaha, karma yoga. Then by that, the nishta sthitihi, the niyama sthitihi, the lifestyle is prokta, prakarshena ukta maya. Abhyudaya in the form of agaraga sandhyam upasita. Every day sandhya vandam should be done. Udite surya pratah jugoti. When the surya and sun rises, then offer aguti, agnihotradi karma. Pasante brahmanaha agnina dadita kurvane vega karmani jiji vishechatagung samaha. Ishavasya Upanishad. Kurvane vega karmani jiji vishechatagung samaha. Tasma swadhyayaha adyetavyaha. Swadhyayaha, one should read it once. Shaka, the Veda Shaka, adyetavyaha. Ritam cha swadhyaya pravachane cha. Satyam cha swadhyaya pravachane cha. Agnayascha swadhyaya pravachane cha. Agnihotram cha swadhyaya pravachane cha. Satyam vada dharmam chara tani tvayopasyani. All these are from Taittiriya Upanishad. Iti Shauta smarta karma nishta eva karmanam kartavyattvena prokta vigita. It is ordained, it is told, has to be done by the karmis. Karmi is here karma yogi, by the one who has taken up to action for them. By that they will get abhyudaya. Abhyudayena, abhyudayaha karma yogena yujyate. That abhyudaya, that is a prospect that will lead them to finally nishreyasa. Prayas. It is, if the goal is moksha, then prayers also will become, prayers will become karma yoga. Prayers is pursuit of dharma artha kama. If it subserves moksha, then it is also becomes a sadhanam for moksha, then it becomes karma yoga. Evam nishtadvayam karminam grihasthanam akarminam sannyasinam cha asankirnam. Thus, nishtadvayam, the two types of nishta, karminam grihasthanam, grihasthas who are karma yogis, akarminam sannyasinam, sannyasis who are akarmis, they do not do karma. Iti asankirnam, it is sankirnam, it is praised. Vibhajya pradeshitam ityartaha, which is Vibhajya, divided, this lifestyle is divided into two. It is shown by Bhagavan. Iti Shankaranandiya Bhashyam. I think this we are reading now only. We have not read, that's why I thought we'll do it. Then we will continue with Shankara Bhashyam. The Sangati which we saw in the last class, we will read. Sangati to the next shloka. Anakarmanam anarambhat. Mam cha bandha karane.
Mam cha bandha karane.
Karmani eva niyojayasi iti.
Karmani eva niyojayasi iti.
Vishanna manasam arjunam.
Vishanna manasam arjunam.
Karmana arabhegiti.
कर्मण आरभे इति
आरभे इति
एवं मन्वानम्
एवं मन्वानम्
एवं
आलक्ष्य
आलक्ष्य
लक्ष्य
आह भगवान्
आह भगवान्
भगवान्
We saw in the last class. Mam cha banda karane karmani eva niyojayasi iti Vishanna manasam Arjunam Bhagavan Bhagavan told Arjuna, Mam cha banda karane, this karma will bind me. The karma which will bind me, in which only niyojayasi. Tvam niyojayasi, you make me engage. You engage me in this action. Iti Vishanna manasam Arjunam, the Arjuna, who is Vishanna, who is despondent, dejected. Therefore, Arjuna says, na karmana arabe iti manvanam. Karmana arabe iti eva manvanam. Therefore, Arjuna, who was thinking, I would not do karma, iti evam manvanam Vishanna manasam Arjunam alakshya, having observed him, Bhagavan told, what? Na karmanam anarambat iti.
न कर्मणात् आरम्भात् इति
Anarambat.
अनारम्भात्
Atava
अथवा
ज्ञानकर्मनिष्ठयोगो
ज्ञानकर्मनिष्ठयोः
परस्पर विरोधात्
परस्परविरोधात्
एकेन पुरुषेण युगपत् अनुष्ठातुम् अशक्यत्वे सति
एकेन पुरुषेण युगपत् अनुष्ठातुम्
अनुष्ठातुम्
अशक्यत्वे
सति
इतरेतर अनपेक्षयोः एव
इतरेतर अनपेक्षयोः एव
पुरुषार्थहेतुत्वे प्राप्ते
पुरुषार्थहेतुत्वे प्राप्ते
कर्मनिष्ठायाः
कर्मनिष्ठायाः
ज्ञाननिष्ठा प्राप्तिहेतुत्वेन
ज्ञाननिष्ठाप्राप्तिहेतुत्वेन
पुरुषार्थहेतुत्वम्
पुरुषार्थहेतुत्वम्
न स्वातन्त्र्येण
न स्वातन्त्र्येण
ज्ञाननिष्ठा तु
ज्ञाननिष्ठा तु
कर्मनिष्ठ उपाय लब्धात्मिका सती
कर्मनिष्ठ उपाय लब्धात्मिका सति
स्वातन्त्र्येण पुरुषार्थ हेतुः
स्वातन्त्र्येण पुरुषार्थहेतुः
अन्यान् अपेक्षा इति अन्य अनपेक्षा इति एवं अर्थं प्रदर्शयिष्यन् आह भगवान्
एतम् अर्थं प्रदर्शयिष्यन् आह
भगवान्
अथवा ज्ञानकर्मनिष्ठयोः परस्पर विरोधात् एकेन पुरुषेण युगपत् अनुष्ठाय अशक्यत्वे सति. Sati Saptami. This is called Sati Saptami. If by the same person, this Jnana Karma Nishtha, the same person, by the same person, when the same person, when this the Jnana Nishtha, Karma Nishtha, which are opposite to each other, Paraspara Virodhat, when they are Paraspara, when they are contradictory, opposing to each other, and therefore when it is not performable by the same persons simultaneously, Yugapat Anushtatum Ashakyate Sati, if it is so, not able to observed by the same person simultaneously because they are opposite to each other. Jnanam is characterized by agam akarta, karma is characterized by agam karta, therefore paraspara virodhat. That is a hetu. Why it cannot be observed, performed, that anushtana by the same person? For that hetu, the cause is it Panchami? Paraspara virodhat. And what is the paraspara virodha? Jnanam is akarta, that akartritva jnanam. Karma is kartritva buddhi. Therefore, paraspara virodha asti. Evam sati, if it is so, Itaretera anapeksha yoga eva purushata hetutve prapte. Here also we have to supply sati. That is also sati. Another sati saptami. Within a sati saptami, one more sati saptami is there. Because it cannot be performed simultaneously by the same person, therefore, itaretara, mutually, anapeksha yoga, mutually independent. Itaretara, anapeksha yoga eva, purushartha hetatve sati. Not depending on each other. Paraspara anapeksha, na apeksha. Not depending on each other, it becomes a hetu for purushartha prapti hetutve, for gaining the purushartha. If it is so, purushartha hetutve prapte sati saptami. Then, after that, if it is so, then karmanishtayaha jnananishta prapti hetutvena purushartha hetutvam. If karma and the jnana, if they are paraspara, they are not dependent, they are independent, and they become the hetu for purushartha, that is moksha purushartha. Purushartha hetu, purushartha is parama purushartha, moksha purushartha, hetu is the karanam. If they become the karanam for gaining the parama purushartha, then karma nishtayaha purushartha hetutvam katam bhavati, na swatantrena bhavati. Karma nishta is not independently the hetu for gaining the purushartha. Purushartha prapti hetutvam na swatantrena. Purushartha hetutvam, the status of being the hetu, the cause for the purushartha, gaining the purushartha. Purushartha prapti hetutvam. Karma nishtayaha na bhavati swatantrena, not independently. It means what? Karma nishta is the jnana nishta prapti hetu. For jnana nishta prapti hetu, karma nishta as the karma nishtayaha jnana nishta prapti hetutvena, the status of being the cause for jnana nishta prapti. What? Karma nishta. Tena karma nishtaya purushartha hetutvam bhavati, na swatantra, not independently. It means what? Karma nishtaya, karma nishtaya, karma nishta dvarena jnana nishta prapti, and jnana nishta praptya purushartha prapti. Therefore, karma is not the hetu for the gaining of purushartha independently. Karma as the status of being the hetu for gaining the jnana nishta prapti. Therefore, tena is karma nishtaya swatantrena purushartha hetutvam na. Karma nishtayaha purushartha hetutvam na swatantrena. Then what? Karma nishtayaha karmanishta upaya labdhatmika jnananishthatu. Karmanishta is talked about. Karmanishta cannot give moksha directly. Then jnananishthatu, whereas jnananishta, it is swatantrena purushartha hetuhu, which is swatantrena, independently, it is the cause for purushartha prapti. Karma nishta upaya labdhatmika sati. Sati, here also Sati Saptami. This are Trilinga, therefore Sati Swatantrena Purushartha Hetuhu. Karmanishta is the upaya for gaining the Jnananishta. So Jnananishta is qualified by Karmanishta Upaya Labdhatmika Sati. Karmanishta Upaya Labdhatmika Jnananishta Sati Purushartha Hetuhu Swatantrena. Anya Anapeksha iti, not depending on anything. That is, Jnananishta doesn't depend on anything. It independently gives what? Moksha. It independently is a hetu for moksha prapti. And Jnananishta, it is gained by the means called Karmanishta. So Karmanishta eva upayaha, Karmanishta upayaha, Karmanishta upayena labdaha, this Jnananishta, labdhatmika Jnananishta, it is a hetu, purushartha hetu, swatantrena, anya anapeksha, not depending on anything. It means it doesn't depend on karma. So that jnana karma samuchaya is dismissed. For jnana nishta prapti, karma nishta is the hetu. For purushartha prapti, the hetu is jnana nishta. Therefore, the connection, there is a direct connection between jnanam and karma. Therefore, it doesn't depend on karma. Therefore, anya anapeksha iti etat artham pradarshayishyan. To show this, Bhagavan says, what does he say? We'll read the shloka. Na karmanam anarambhat.
न कर्मणाम् अनारम्भात्
Naishkaryam purushošnute.
नैष्कर्म्यं पुरुषोष्णुते
Na cha sanyasanadev.
न च सन्न्यसनादेव
Siddhim samadhigacchati.
सिद्धिं समधिगच्छति
Karmanam anarambhat naishkaryam na ashnute. Purushaha na ashnute. Karmanam anarambhat, without starting, initiating, performing, without performance of what? Karmanam. Karmanam anarambanam. Anarambhat, na arambhat, karmanam, naishkarmyam. Naishkarmyam is actionlessness. It is not gainable. Not Purusha. Purusha doesn't gain. Purushaha nashnute. Karmanam is Shruti Vigitanam, Nitya Naimiத்திkanam Karmanam. Arambanam, Arambaha. What is Arambaha? A plus Rabdhatu. A plus Rabdhatu, it will get Numahama. Therefore, Ramb it becomes. Rabescha. Arambanam, Arambaha. Na Arambaha, Anarambaha. Therefore, Anarambaha, Tasmat Anarambhat. Eto, this is the Eto Panchami. Karmanam Anarambhat. Karma is Shruti Vigita Karma. Nitya Naimitikadi Karma. So, Prarambam Akrutva. Not starting. Then Purushaha Naishkarmyam. Naishkarmyam is the Tadita word. Nirgatani Karmani Yasmat. Saha Nishkarma. Tasya Bhavaha Naishkarmyam. Actionlessness. That from whom the karma has gone. How can karma go away? That is, karma goes away. That kartrutta buddhi goes away. Agam karta iti, that buddhi is not there in whom, or from whom that buddhi has gone away in the wake of understanding of oneself. The status of being that is called naishkarmyam. That is jnanam, that is moksha. So when there is aham, when there is knowledge, aham akarta, agam abhokta. Therefore, karmanam abhavaha, that is naishkarmyam. So, naishkarmyam is karmatva abhavaha, that is called naishkarmyam, actionless. Purushaha na ashnute. Purusha do not gain that, do not gain moksha. It means Purusha do not gain moksha by not performing karma. Nacha sanyasanadeva, sanyasanat tyagat. Evakaraha. Eva is a sanyasanat eva. Evakaraha is for api. Even api. By giving up karma, one doesn't become karma. Api is api etoho. Api etoho siddhim jnananishtam. Siddhim is jnananishta. Na samadhi gacchati. Samyak adhikritaha san labate, na labate. That is, acha sanyasanadeva, by sannyasa, by giving up, siddhim na samadhi gacchati. He doesn't get success. Siddhi is moksha. He doesn't get success, doesn't get moksha. Na karmana na prajaya dhanena tyage naike amritatvana shukho, not by karma, not by praja, not by dhana. Iti. Therefore, tyagena eva. Tyaga is sannyasa. Sannyasana deva. Tyagena eva amritatvam anashugu. Amritatvam anashugu. Some people have gained amritatvam. Only by tyaga moksha is possible. But here he says, nacha sannyasa deva. Evakara is only by sannyasa. Only by giving up karma. One doesn't become free. Just by giving up karma. Only by giving up karma is just by giving up karma. That is referring to the person who has just given up karma without gaining that pakvata, without gaining that manas, that pakva manas. So, without getting that mind, the prepared mind, just by giving karma, one doesn't get success. Siddhim samadhi gacchati. Na samadhi gacchati. Na samyak adhikritasan labate. Therefore, mere sannyasa will not give moksha. Sannyasa is tyaga, giving up of karma. That mere giving up of karma will not give moksha, and not taking to action also will not give moksha. Not taking to action. Therefore, one should take to karma. One should observe, one should do karma, by which the prayojanam is there. The prayojanam is chitta shuddhihi, ragadvesha nivrittihi. That is called chitta shuddhihi. Having gained that, one becomes yogya purusha for jnananishta tena siddhim samadhi gacchati. So here, nacha sannyasana deva is without jnananishta siddhim na samadhi gacchati. And for jnananishta, the hetu is karmanishta. Therefore, karma to be followed. Without karma, jnananishta prapti is not possible. That is why Bhashyakara in the Sangati is said, jnananishtayaha tu, this jnananishta tu swatantrena purushartha hetuhu. Whereas karmanishtayaha swatantrena na purushartha hetutvam. Jnananishta prapti hetutvena. Iti. Beautiful connection. So very clearly the meaning has been given by the Bhashyakara in the very Sangati itself. Now we will read the Bhashyam. Na karmanam iti.
न कर्मणाम्
न
इति
कर्मणाम् इति
Na karmanam.
न कर्मणाम्
कर्मणाम्
Anarambhat.
अनारम्भात्
अनारम्भात्
Aprarambhat.
अप्रारम्भात्
अप्रारम्भात्
Kriyanam.
क्रियाणाम्
कर्मणां
Yajnadinam.
कर्म
यज्ञादीनां
यज्ञादीनाम्
इह जन्मनि जन्मान्तरे वा
इह जन्मनि जन्मान्तरे वा
जन्मान्तरे वा
अनुष्ठितानाम्
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 उपात दुरित क्षय हेतुत्वेन
उपात दुरितः क्षयत् हेतुत्वेन
क्षयहेतुत्वेन
तत्त्वशुद्धिकारणानाम्
सत्त्वक्षुद्धिकारणानाम्
तत्करणत्वेन च
तत्करणत्वेन च कारणत्वेन
तत्कारणत्वेन च
तत्कारणत्वेन च
ज्ञानोत्पत्तिद्वारेण
ज्ञानोत्पत्तिद्वारेण
ज्ञाननिष्ठा हेतूनाम्
ज्ञाननिष्ठा हेतूनाम्
So na karmanam anarambhat, which is there in the Moolam. So aprarambhat karmanam kriyanam. Karmanam is equal to kriyanam. Aprarambhat karmanam kriyanam yajnadinam. Yaga yajnadinam. Kriya is action. And the action which is na prarambha, anarambha, na prarambha, not started, not performed. Kriyanam, the action yajnadinam. This yajnadinam, the karma, yajnadinam is the vigita karma which are prescribed by the Shastra, vigita karma which are to be done. So, Bhagavan alone is in the form of the dharma, and the karma only manifests in the form of what is to be done by a person, in keeping with the role, the responsibility. So, what is to be done in a particular stage of life, particular time in Varna, keeping with Varna Ashrama, that is its dharma, that is to be done, karma. Therefore, karmana, Shruti Vigita karma, Shrauta Vigita karma, and also that Lokika karma, in keeping with one position, the responsibility in the society, that karma which is to be done, that karma, it is required for Jnananishta Prapti. When it is not done, Jnananishta will not happen. Therefore, it is required. They are required. So, the karma either Janmani Janmantareva, Iga Janmani, in this Janma, either is in this Janma or done in the previous Janma, Janmantareva, other Janma, Anya Janma, Janmantara, Anya Janma, the previous, the past life. Anushtitanam, the actions which have been performed. So, either in this Janma or in the previous Janma, Anushtitanam, the karma, Upada Durita Kshaya Hetutvena. So, Iha Janmani Janmantareva Anushtitanam Karmanam Yajnadinam Karmanam Upata Durita Kshaya Hetutvena. Upata, the Hetu is the cause. The cause for what? Those karma become the cause for Kshaya. Kshaya Hetu. Kshayanam Hetu, Kshaya Hetu. Kshaya is destruction. Destruction of what? Durita. Durita is papam. Upata is that which is gained, that which is accumulated, acquired. So, for the Kshaya of the Durita which has been gained, where Janmani Janmantareva, so it has to be connected here. Iga Janmani in this Janma or Janmantareva or in the previous Janma, this Upada Durita Kshaya Hetutvena, the papam, the Durita, which has been accumulated, which has been gathered either in this life or in the previous life, that has to be neutralized. Iga Janmani Janmantareva Anushtitanam, the karma which have been done, and because of which the action which we have done, karma is the action we have done, and that becomes the cause for the accumulation of the durita. For that Kshay Hetutvena, For the kshaya etutvena sattva-shuddhi karananam tat karanatvena jnanotpatti dvarena jnana-nishta etunam. So, the karma which is the cause for the chitta-shuddhi of the mind, by removing all the duritas, the papa karma. The papa karma gives papam, that is called durita. The durita is what is ashuddhi of the antakarana. So therefore, when karma is done with the yoga buddhi, then this raga dvesha, the raga dveshas are neutralized. Therefore, karma done with karma yoga buddhi, it removes all this ashuddhi and becomes the karanam for chitta shuddhi. Therefore, jnana nishta hetu nam. Therefore, karma becomes the cause for the hetu for the pursuit of jnanam. Tat karanatvena cha, karma being the cause for that. For what? For chitta shuddhi. Tat karanatvam. Karmanaha karanatvam asti. Karma as the karanatvam, the cause, the causal status. Karma which has a status of being the karanam for jnanotpatti dvarena. Jnanotpatti dvarena becomes the cause for the jnananishta, therefore jnanam, therefore jnanotpatti dvarena. It is a hetu for jnananishta, jnananishta hetunam, tat jnananishta hetunam. Jnanotpatti dvarena jnananishta hetunam. Karma being the cause for the purification of the antakaranam, therefore it becomes a means for jnananishta. So karma removes the durita and therefore it becomes a means for chitta shuddhi, sattva shuddhi. Sattva shuddhi is antakarana shuddhi. Sattva means antakaranam. Antakaranam is called by the word sattva. Antakaranam meaning mind. How this antakaranam is formed? By the combination of the sattva of pancha tattvam, pancha mahabhutani. That is why mind is sattva. Mind is called sattva. Sattva shuddhi. Sattva shuddhi karananam tat karanatvena cha. Therefore, the meaning is a Purusha doesn't attain Naishkarmya, the state of being free from action, doesn't attain without taking to Karma Yoga. Therefore, not taking into action Anarambat, not taking into Anarambat Karmana, not taking into action Yajnadinam, etc., not taking into action the action which are performed in this life or in the previous life, which becomes the cause for the chitta shuddhi, and that becomes a cause for the destruction of this durita, the papa, and therefore it becomes a cause for chitta shuddhi. Therefore, it is chitta shuddhi dvarena. It becomes a cause for jnananishta hetu, cause for jnananishta hetu, and jnananishta is the hetu for jnanam moksha iti. That is the connection. So, na karmanam anarambhat is equal to aprarambhat karmanam kriyanam yajnadinam, the karma, and those which are anushtitanam, which were observed iha janmani or janmantareva, in this janma or the previous janma. By that karma, whatever durita which has been acquired, whether you want it or not, you will do karma. Whether it is Vaidika karma, Lokika karma, any karma, we will do. And the karma will have result in the form of papam and punyam. Papam punyam will be there. Any karma will have result. So papa punya, without papa punya, it is no karma is there. Because karma involves any karma, if you take it, will involve little himsa will be there. Even Yagadi also himsa is there. When you offer ahuti into the Agni, you offer the samit. Samit may have some little small insects that also is offered. All these are papam only, but it is unavoidable. Therefore, for prayaschitta to be done. So, and also laukika karma, any karma you do, it involves himsa. Without himsa, you cannot even survive. So, without karma, you cannot survive, and without him causing himsa, you cannot live survive also. Therefore, all these are the karanam for the accumulation of vidurita. So, since we have done so many karma in this janma or in the previous janma, so anushtitanam karmanam, and by which we have gained the durita, the papa, that will go only by again karma alone. So the papa which has been gained, upata, mamopata samasta durita kshayadvara, we say, mama upata durita kshayadvara, Shri Parameshwara Prityartham, the sankalpa we say. So for the kshaya of the durita, which has been accumulated by the karma which has been done either in this life or in the previous life, for the neutralization of that, karma should be done. That becomes, karma becomes sattva shuddhi karananam karmanam, the karma which becomes the karanam for sattva shuddhi, chitta antakarna shuddhi, tat karanatvena, by that, see, karma becomes the hetu for two things. One is upada durita kshaya. Number two is sattva shuddhi. For two, one is for the neutralization of the papa. Second one is sattva shuddhi. Sattva shuddhi karananam tat karanatvena. By that, because it has the status of being the cause for the chitta shuddhi. Therefore, chitta shuddhi dvara, chitta shuddhya, jnanotpatti dvarena, through the dvara, through jnanasya utpatti, jnanotpatti dvara. Through jnana utpatti dvara, for that jnana utpatti is jnananishta is required. Therefore, it becomes a hetu for jnananishta. So jnananishta hetu bhavati. What hetu? This karma becomes the hetu for jnananishta. Therefore, jnananishta hetu nam. Why it is hetu nam? Because kriyanam, karmanam is there. Therefore, karma should be performed. Karma should be performed. Na karmanam. That karmanam is alone is explained by the Bhashyakara. What is that karmanam? Na part you leave it. Karmanam alone you take. That karmanam, that Bhashyakara explains. What is that karma? Kriyanam, karmanam, yajnadinam. Iga janmani janmantareva anushtitanam, kriyanam, karmanam, yajnadinam. Upada durita kshaya hetutvena, sattva shuddhi karananam, tat karanatvena, jnanotpatti dvarena, becomes a hetu for jnananishta hetu. So, therefore, that becomes a means for jnana utpatti by making oneself fit for jnananishta. Therefore, jnananishta hetuhu karmanishtayaha purushartha hetutvam jnananishta Nishta dvarena. That is the Bhashyakara said in the Sangati also. Purushartha hetutvam karmanishtayaha asti. Katam. Na swatantrena. By jnananishta prapti hetutvena. Jnananishta hetu. And jnananishta is jnananishtaya jnanotpatti bhavati. So that is the connection to be understood. Therefore, karma to be started, to be performed. Then the next line. Jnanam utpadyate. Sorry, this is a shloka. You will read the meter. Jnanam utpadyate pumsam.
Jnanam utpadyate pumsam.
punsam.
Kshayat papasya karmanaha.
क्षयात् पापस्य कर्मणः
यथादर्शतल प्रख्ये
यथा दर्शतलप्रज्ञे
पश्यत्यात्मानमात्मनि
पश्यत्यात्मानमात्मनि
इत्यादि स्मरणात्
इत्यादि स्मरणात्
अनारम्भात्
अनारम्भात्
अननुष्ठानात्
अननुष्ठानात्
Anarambhat, the hetu is that is being explained by the Bhashyakara. Anarambhat is equal to Ananushtanat. Anarambha is na arambha, arambha, na arambanam, anarambanam, anarambha, anarambhat. Na anushtanam, ananushtanat. Bhashyakara, it quotes from the Mahabharata, Shanti Parva, Shloka. Jnanam utpadyate pumsam, for pumsam manushyanam. Pumsam is manushyanam. Jnana utpadyate, the knowledge is born in human beings. Katam bhavati papasya kshayat eva jnanotpadyate bhavati. Papasya kshaya. Only when the papa is kshaya, destroyed, neutralized, then only jnanam is gained, jnanam is born. Papam of what? Karmanaha. Karma which has been done, iga janmani janmantareva. In this janma and the previous janma, the karma has been done. The karma will have its papam as well as punyam. Punyam, no problem. Punyam will place you in a conducive situation for the pursuit of jnanam. Papam is there, that has to be neutralized. Therefore, karma naha papasya, the papa which has been gained through karma, that kshaya, papa kshaya, papasya kshaya, papa kshaya katam bhavati. Papa kshayat eva. Only by the papa kshaya jnanam utpadyate. And that papa kshayam katam bhavati. So that papa kshayam will happen only by, again, only by neutralizing. That is by doing karma. It has to be neutralized by positive karma. So jnana utpadyate pumsam karmanaha papasya karmanaha kshayat. When there is neutralization of papa karma, jnanam is born. For that neutralization, one has to take to karma. There is no choice. So karma is indispensable for chitta shuddhi prapti. And here it is, an example is given. Yatha adarsha tale prakye. In the adarsha tala prakye, in the clear surface of the adarsha, the mirror, like a person sees his face in the clean mirror. The face of the person is reflected in the mirror. Similarly, when the mind is shuddha, when the mind is shuddham, then pashyati atmanam atmani. One sees atmanam atmani. When the mind is pure, then one can see. One can see means one can recognize, one can appreciate the atma, atmani in oneself. That is in the mind. In the mind, one can appreciate oneself as atma. Mind is only upadhi. That upadhi, having understood upadhi as mithya, the mind which reflects chaitanyam, chidabhasa, the chit is recognized as myself. Sadeva, chit and chideva sat, and sat chit is anandaha, that anandaha agamasmi iti. That recognition happens when the mind is shuddham, like a mirror which is clean, in which the reflection is seen. Tadvat, that's why yatha. Ityadi smaranat. Why smaranat? Because it is smriti, Mahabharatam. Smaranat shrutau, or you can say it is mentioned in the smriti. Smaranat, it is remembered. Smriti remembers. Through the smriti we remember. Smaranat. Ityadi smaranat, because of the mentioning of this in the Shruti. Therefore, Anarambat Ananushtanat. So Bhashyakara presents the importance of observing the karma. When the mirror is not clean and you want to see your face in the mirror, what will you do? You cannot make the mirror clean by knowledge. You cannot make also. You need karma. You have to remove the dust. That involves karma. So karma, for the removal of the dust, you have to do action. Then only you can see your face in the mirror. That depends on the dust, the type of dust. The dust is a thin dust, you can remove by just by a cloth. If it is little thick, then you have to remove it by wet cloth or something. Suppose if it is so thick and not been used for a long time, then it has to be removed by some other process, chemical process. That differs. That is called the Chitta Shuddhi. Therefore, only different types of, therefore only karmas are there, different types of karma. Therefore, the karma yoga, the nishtha taken by different people for getting antakarana shuddhi differs because of this mala. The mala differs, the impurity differs. Therefore, the amount of prayatna, the effort involved also differs. The third chapter itself, in this chapter itself, Bhagavan Krishna will say, what are the different types of that mala, that dust? With an example you will give. All these are the kama yeshaha, krodha yeshaha, the kama, krodha, which are all born of rajas. So if the mala is mixed with the rajas, sattva with rajas, that is one type of mala. The sattva mixed with the tamas, one type of mala. If rajas and then tamas is more, that is one type of, different types of mala is therefore different. Therefore, karma is required. Karma anushtanam is your must. For the removal of the dust, as karma is required. Similarly, for the removal of this ashuddha in the manas, karma is required. Ashuddha in the terms of this papa, because it becomes a pratibandha for jnanotpatti. For the pratibandha nivritti, karma is required. And if it is not started, naishkarmyam purushaha nashnute. That is what is said here. We'll continue the Bhashyam. The next class. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.